Money affirmations for success. I experience wealth as a key part of my life. I am capable of overcoming any money obstacles that stand in my way. I can conquer my money goals. Today I commit to living my financial dreams. I want more money. And that's okay. It's easy and natural for me to be prosperous and successful. My life is filled with health and wealth. Abundance is coming, I deserve and accept it. I accept and receive unexpected money. I accept and receive unexpected prosperity. I have more than enough money. I deserve to make more money. I am always discovering new sources of income. Money comes my way in both expected and unexpected ways. I am open to receiving all the wealth life brings to me. I'm not poor, I'm just low wealth right now. That is changing. I'm getting out of my own way when it comes to money. Thank you. I am grateful for all I have, and all that comes to me.